Welcome back, everybody, to another cryptocurrency news article. Today's article comes from Crypto Potato and looks like Robert Kiyosaki says America is broke and reiterates his support for Bitcoin and gold. Now, I love Robert Kiyosaki. He's the author of the books, the Rich Dad Poor Dad series, which I think is beneficial for anybody to read those books, or at least follow him on the Rich Dad Poor Dad podcast. But yeah, he always gives some great information, definitely pushes for just self-entrepreneurship and whatnot. But yeah, let's go over this article. Kiyosaki believes that the stock market is rising because of the removal of the US debt ceiling. Robert Kiyosaki, an American businessman and author of the best-selling book Rich Dad Poor Dad, believes the United States is broke as the country's debt keeps increasing, countering claims that the world's largest economy is strong. In a recent tweet, Kiyosaki called the media agency Wall Street Journal numbnuts because it failed to decipher whether the stock market was up due to President Joe Biden raising America's debt ceiling. Now, America is broke, said Kiyosaki. Kiyosaki's comments were in response to a recent report by the Wall Street Journal, which claims that the US was steering clear of recession due to several factors, including a 2.4% economic growth in quarter two and a similar increase in the country's gross domestic product, now significantly faster than experts' predictions. With a decline in customer spending, the record defied expectations of a downturn starting in the middle of the year due to higher interest rates. Wall Street Journal stated that a more robust labor market would add to the prospect of a soft landing. Now, where inflation falls close to the Federal Reserve's 2% target without a recession. Now, however, Kiyosaki thinks the opposite. As reported earlier this month, he believes the stock market is rising because of the US debt ceiling removal. Now, recall that in June, Biden signed a bill suspending the U.S. government $31.4 trillion debt ceiling till January 2025, avoiding the nation's first ever default. The suspension calmed the economic crisis that threatened to disrupt financial markets and trigger a recession. Since then, large U.S. stock market indexes like the S&P 500, Dow Jones, and NASDAQ have recorded notable gains, sparking claims of a stronger economy. Now, the renowned author said that the national debt is rising alongside the financial market. Hence, Wall Street Journal claims that America's economy is strong and are wrong because the country is broke. Now, Kiyosaki prefers Bitcoin, gold, and silver. While America's economy dwindles, Kiyosaki reiterates his support and preference for Bitcoin, gold, and silver, which he frequently refers to as real assets and real money. He believes the US dollar will die, while the largest cryptocurrency and precious metals will thrive and act as a protection measures. As Bitcoin's proponent, the Rich Dad Poor Dad author believes the asset could soar to 120,000 in 2024 and 500,000 by 2025. So those are Robert Kiyosaki's predictions. And we're going to be getting a lot more people in the market and the space talking about it as well. Like, I think it's like Kathy Woods from ARK Investments, who is a big fan of Coinbase, but like I believe even she's saying like she's calling for a 500,000 to $1 million Bitcoin someday. No dates, but Robert Kiyosaki gave some dates on there. But that's usually a sign that the bull run is imminent. Also, we had signs of that one Pepe coin that did a big rise. Like usually that when a meme coin starts spiking, usually it's kind of the start too. So there's signs indicating to us that the bull market is just around the corner. And once the happening comes for Bitcoin, then yeah, it is like really here. So yeah, just pay attention, guys, to news. Stock up on some solid assets, like Robert Kiyosaki says, Bitcoin, gold, and silver. And if you guys enjoyed this article read through, smash that thumbs up button for me. Subscribe to the channel. And until next time, Crypto Sherpa is out.